Today we are going to draw a beehive and some bees. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to start with the beehive. Hold your paper the tall way, and you guys are going to use a pencil, and we're going to start with the top of the beehive. So start with a curve on the top. Then when you're ready, we're going to make 2 bumps on the side. 1 bump, 2 bump. And then we're going to make 2 more bumps. 1 bump, 2 bump. And then we're going to go all the way across on the bottom. We've now made our beehive. Now we do need a door, so let's make our door to the beehive. And then we're gonna start with our circles all over the beehive for the honey. So let's add lots and lots of circles. This is the little honeycombs to catch all of the honey. So take your time, make lots of little circles because you want lots and lots and lots of honey. Once you finish all your little honeycombs, we're gonna make some bees because you have to have some bees for the honeycomb. So let's make some ovals. Let's make 1 oval, 2 oval, and if you have room, I'm gonna make 1 in the door too. So we're gonna make our bees. Once we make our bees, our ovals, we're gonna make the lines on the bees. So let's make 1, 2, 3 curves on this one. Let's do 3 curves on this one. 1, 2, 3. This one, 3 curves too. 1, 2, 3. So we now have all our stripes. Let's make our little faces. Little dots. Make a little 2 eyes on each one. And then we can make them a little smiley, or you can make them a little surprised, or you can make them a little in the middle feeling like they're not knowing what's going on. Let's make our little wings. So you make 1 oval, 2 oval. Kind of like you're making a heart. 1 oval, 2 oval. Now don't forget your stinger. So let's make a little thick line here, thick line. And the last step, we need to add our little legs. Let's add 3 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have now made your beehive. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna trace everything with your black crayon or your black pencil, and now we're gonna color. So you wanna take yellow and color your bees. You can do every other one because you can color that line there if you want black. So I'm gonna color those black. Oops, there goes my oil pastel. You guys can use crayons or color pencils. You guys always use crayons. Make sure you color everything. And don't forget your beehive. Now here's what we're gonna do for our beehive. You are gonna color the circles a darker yellow for the honey. So you want a nice dark yellow for the honey. And then you want to color the background, all of this, a light yellow. And if you don't have a light yellow, we can find another color to use. We can always use brown for that part and yellow for the other. So we'll talk about that in class. But you can pick any color. So you want a dark and a light. Don't forget, when you're finished, you need to color your entire background one solid color. You can do blue for the sky. You could do pink. You could do purple. You could do pretty much any color, but probably yellow because we have a lot of yellow going on. So take your time, go slow, and I cannot wait to see your beehives.